Hello everybody. If you've got a car with a stereo that only takes CDs like that one, then you need to adapt the radio to be able to take an auxiliary lead. I have purchased an adapter like this one. It's got two phono cable leads there, and it has a 3.5mm jack there. 2 rings means stereo, 1 ring means mono. Got a black and red phono cable that connects into the back of this. The jack lead goes into your phone. Now on most radios they have a auxiliary button, and you can get a simple device that costs a couple of quid. So if you've got a stereo with a CD changer option only, then you can pick up this device and it will trick the CD changer into thinking you're giving it an input. So we're going to go ahead and take out the stereo. I'll show you where to plug in the connection. This connection here goes into the CD changer port on the back of the stereo. For a couple of pound on eBay you can get yourself the pins to release the radio. Here's the radio release locking pin, and it's a very simple thing. Put one pin in like this, one pin in like this, push out, and it slides out like that without stretching any of the wires. You've got the aerial. So this green port is the CD changing section. So that's the only one you want to take out. So we push this clip down and release. You probably won't have this already connected in because I bought this car with a CD changer put into it. Get our little box here and we put that straight into here till it clicks. Make sure it's nice and solid. We undo these wires and we put the red to the red, black into the black. So now we've got it all connected up to the back of the stereo with the jack port coming out. You can get your finger right behind here and you'll feel some little clips holding this back box in. We drill a hole into here and we put female to female jack into this, stuck into the back. So we've just got the hole. So we put the hole in there, pop it back in, and there you will have your cable. For now, I'm just going to leave the cap off, poke this wire through, so I've got access to the stereo jack. Pop that down there, nicely tucked away. Making sure these cables are plugged in. Make sure everything's not loose, everything's nice. And then it's a simple case of sliding it back in. We got an auxiliary cable. People say this cable ain't very long, which is true. So I bought another jack to jack cable. By the time I put the little hole in here, this will go into the back of the jack, into a female to female. That will be stuck into there, and then I will just be plugging this in for my devices. That can just be taken in and out willy-nilly. If anything breaks, it will only be this piece that will need replacing. So for demonstration purposes only, we're gonna pull this out. I'm a junglist for life. RRP to the pilot and the football player in that crash. Find the jack cable right here. Gonna turn this on. Gonna put a CD. So the volume works like normal. This will act like it's a CD. CD1, 01, that won't change. Doesn't matter what you do to this. Change if you go to radio. If you go to CD, you can still use a CD player. If you push CD twice. So there you have it, people. That's how you put an auxiliary to your CD player that doesn't have an auxiliary input, that doesn't have an auxiliary switchover button, that literally all it has is a CD and a CD changer. Took me, what, 5 minutes? Anybody can do it. And don't go changing your stereo or anything. Every stereo is capable of doing it one way or another. If you have any questions, just ask and I'll answer them as best as I can. Take care, guys. Peace out.